I've been passionate about food from an early age, and now after 11 years working in private households, I get to travel the world with clients, cooking with the very best of produce. The very best produce in the world is available on my doorstep from farms all over Scotland, but when I visit Littlepod HQ in Devon, I use Riverford's organic vegetables, which are truly phenomenal. I'm fortunate enough to be as passionate about food today as I was when I started. Cooking is a passion, a calling, a vocation. It's not a job for me. I get paid well to travel the world exploring the best produce in the regions I visit and help my clients improve their lives through food therapy. The secret to a healthy, fulfilling life is providing the body with great fuel from which your body can gain great energy. Tonight's Christmas dinner menu here at Littlepod HQ is roast parsnip and apple soup with vanilla and curry oil, followed by beetroot, celeriac and goat's cheese salad with vanilla gret. And for main course we have Scottish sirloin of beef with vanilla Yorkshire puddings, tarragon glazed carrots, rosemary roasties and a herb and red wine gravy. And for dessert we have Cornish sea salt caramel chocolate fondant with raspberry and vanilla sauce. Why not join the Kilted Chef on my journey as we showcase some of the best produce Scotland has to offer to the world?